What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this unit is from Reshine Hair. She is a 13x4 water wave lace front wig, and this lace on her is transparent lace. Now, you're going to see how good this unit actually melts into my scalp, and I feel like this is really the transparent lace that does it for me. So I did pluck and pre-bleach this hair off camera. I don't know why I always want to say offline. Like what? Off camera. And then I am installing this with the lace already on there. So later on, after I glue it down, I do set it with a scarf. And then I use my scissors to just clip away at the lace. And I do find this sometimes that this does give you a more natural install, because you can actually mold it and shape the lace to how your actual hairline is. I sat with a scarf on for about 10 minutes while this dried. The hair was very, very soft. It didn't have any product in it. And this is actually 16 inches. I don't think I mentioned that yet. But this is a cute full 16-inch incher. She's full from root to tip. And I love that. And usually with my water wave wigs, I don't like to put too much product in her, because I don't want it to start to look thin. So I actually didn't put any product in her. I just wet her down at the end just to give you its natural state and how it's gonna come when you get it. And I'm just taking these little eyebrow scissors and I am cutting the lace, and I'm cutting it as close to my hairline as possible without trying to, not accidentally cut my real hair. That's why I keep doing the scissors like that, trying to get my real hair out of the way. But this is my favorite cutting tool when I am doing this method. When I am doing this method, sometimes I do get a little bit of lifting, or the lace does get a bit crusty. So I just take a little dab of water on the tip of my finger and run it over the front portion of the lace that is either lifting and or crusty. I don't like putting a ton of gel slash got to be, because that will make it worse. So water just helps it melt into your scalp, and I promise this is a really good tip. Don't put too much though, because it will, activate the gel and it's gonna start to slide back. So just do a little bit on the tip of your finger. And here I'm just doing my baby hairs. I'm using this foaming lotion to just mold them the way that I want. If you are a beginner wig installer, I wouldn't recommend using this because if you use too much, your wig will start to lift and slide back. So it is kind of difficult to get the proportion right on how much to use and what's too much and what's not enough. So I would probably just recommend using gel if you have it. After I did that, I just sprayed the hair down with some water, and our waves slash big curls came back into the hair and looked so pretty. I love, love, love water wave wigs. It's definitely my favorite texture. So if you did want to pick up this wig and try this out yourself, everything on her is in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.